Rich Gang 44 here, man, with the back with another video, man. I'm sorry that I ain't been posting, man. Trying to get everything right, man. Trying to hope everybody staying safe due for the COVID-19 around here. Knowing some of y'all can't go to work, stay at home. Hope everybody, kids, family, staying safe out here. But anyway, let's get to the video. This is an unboxing video. Let's go. Yes, sir. This is an impact socket wrench, half inch only. 10 millimeter to a 24 millimeter. Said this right here gonna be an unboxing video. So I'm about to unbox this. I'm about to let y'all see what's inside. Put that over there. Yes sir, yes sir. And more videos coming soon, man. I'm trying to get everything right, man. Y'all please comment down below and y'all help me out, man. I'm trying to get up for 2025, man. Yes sir, yes sir. So slide out the box right here. I'm on the iPhone right now. I'm trying to do everything one-handed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hit the lid. Hit the clock. Yes, sir. Ooh, yes, sir. So I got these at Home Depot. I ordered it for $45. Home Depot real safe. It look pretty decent, pretty good, y'all. Yeah. But the most thing I might be using on this set is probably the 19 through the 24 and probably the 13. No, put like that. I might use 13 all the way up to the 24 mark, and that's all I might be using. But 9 out of 10, you ain't telling how this everybody calls is lug nuts and everything. You might use all set, but 9 out of 10 I got this set because I really have wanted this set. It's my first time doing a boxing video. Just close up, but more videos coming soon about this box and how everything look and how it work. I got more boxes coming soon. I got stuff coming to my cars. I'm gonna do my car in the next video. I hope everybody